So, good morning guys. So today we are going to discuss about the topic name projection of lines. So we already discussed about the projection of points topic. Am I right? So what is the difference between points and lines? We already discussed in our previous classes. So what is the main difference between the points and the lines? Any one of you? No, you already told. No. What is the main difference? Oh, very good. So the point is a zero-dimensional object. The line is the dimensional object. Am I right? So point when the projection of point concept we are understanding better way, then only we can able to understand the remaining topics like projection of lines, solids, section of solid, development of surface. These topics is the continuation of the projection of points. Okay, so the projection of points is the one of the very basic topic. We already know that what are the different types it will be there. We already finished that particular topic. Am I right? So tell me about some important points in the projection of points in that particular topic. Yes. Come, the Dhanuja is a representative that will ask about the particular topic. Dhanuja, tell me what are the different quadrants that will be there? Whether it will be right or wrong, just tell me. Yeah, very good. Tell me, what are the different quadrant systems and how we can understand the front view and the top view, the differences and all? Yeah, just go this way.
Four quadrants is understand each threads. You can say it as
okay, front view and top view, that is a very important thing in any projection. So what is meant by projection? You all know that what is meant by projection? So the projection means we just take any one of the object. Okay, for the particular object, there is a different views it will be there. So we can get the view and we just want to represent in the 2D diagram. So that is the main purpose of the projection of anything. Okay, so we just want to simplify it and to create a new product. Okay, by using a different design. So for the main purpose of design, we can develop any type of product. Okay, so that's why the design is very important. For the particular design, so the different software we are using. Okay, we are using in our college we are using what? SolidWorks. Okay, SolidWorks and SolidWorks is the basic software for designing the product. Okay. So apart from the different quadrants it will be there like Dhanuja and Vishwa said that no. So what are the other important points in the projection of points in the topic? Yes? Yeah, horizontal plane and vertical plane. Very good. Then other than that? So different quadrant it will be there. Okay. So in first quadrant, the front view and the top view location, how it will be located? Yeah, in front of vertical plane, then above horizontal plane. That is the location of the first quadrant. Okay. Indeed, there are four quadrants will be there. Only the projection of points we are discussed only in the four quadrants. Remaining from the topic of projection of lines, we are discussed only projection first quadrant only. Okay. We not at all taken a second, third, and fourth quadrant at all. Okay. We are dealing only the first angle of projection. So that's why we are taken a first quadrant only. So that we will understand in the better way in first quadrant how the position will be there. Okay, whether front view and the top view how it will be located. Whether above XY reference line the front view will be there. Okay, so below XY reference line the top view will be located. Am I right or no? So that is the projection of first quadrant. Okay, the position of point. Okay, then second quadrant how the front view and the top view it will be located. Yeah, both the front view and the top view will be located in the above XY reference line. Okay, so in first quadrant and the third quadrant it will be vice versa. In first quadrant, okay, the front view will be located in the above XY reference line. top it will be located in the below xy reference line. Okay, but in third quadrant it will be opposite, vice versa. Okay, front view will be located in below xy reference line, top view will be located in above xy reference line. That is the vice versa. Okay. Second quadrant and fourth quadrant, we never use these two quadrants because the views it can be merged with the another one. Am I right or not? In the second quadrant, front and top view it will be located in the above xy reference line. Yes, that same as like that in fourth quadrant. Okay, front and top view it will be located in below xy reference line. So each and after we are getting a projection, so normally what we can do? We just want to create the 2D diagram. Am I right? While we have drawn the particular view in the notebook. So for that we just want to draw the 2D projection. Yes. So for that we need to rotate the horizontal.